In today's video, we're going to reveal some of the most eye-opening secrets about what women truly desire in relationships. And these are insights that could completely change the way you approach dating and intimacy. If you've ever wondered what really goes on inside a woman's mind, or how to build a deeper connection with the women in your life, then stick with us. We're about to explore 7 hidden desires that women value deeply, but may never openly share with you. These secrets are not only about improving your romantic relationships, but also about enhancing your emotional intelligence and understanding of women. Whether you're in a committed relationship, casually dating, or just getting to know someone, understanding these unspoken truths will help you connect on a much deeper level. And don't forget, stay until the very end of the video. We'll be sharing 2 powerful tips that have the potential to transform your relationships and make you the kind of partner women dream of. You don't want to miss them. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our growing community. That way, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos designed to help you build stronger, more meaningful relationships. The mystery of women. Understanding their silent signals. Let's start by acknowledging something. Many men believe women are a mystery. This is a common feeling because women often communicate their desires in indirect ways, through subtle actions, expressions, and even silence. Women don't always voice what they need directly, which can leave men feeling confused and unsure of how to truly connect. But here's the truth. Understanding women doesn't require decoding some complex puzzle. Women are not trying to be mysterious or evasive. Rather, they often prefer to express their feelings through non-verbal cues. They communicate through their body language, gestures, and subtle hints, which means you need to be more attuned to these signs to really understand their needs and desires. If you can tune into these silent signals, you'll begin to see that women have deep, emotional preferences and unspoken wants that, when respected, can create a profound emotional bond between you. It just takes a little awareness and attention to detail. In this video, we're unveiling 7 secrets women rarely talk about, but are crucial to building stronger emotional connections. Plus, I'm sharing an extra tip at the end that will have an immediate and lasting impact on your relationships. 1. The incredible impact of a relaxing massage. Let's begin with one of the simplest, yet most powerful gestures you can make in any relationship. A thoughtful massage before an intimate moment. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A massage? That's too simple. But here's the thing. It's not just the physical act that makes this gesture so special. A well-timed, caring massage communicates a level of attention, tenderness, and emotional presence that is often more powerful than any words could express. It's a direct way to show your partner that you're in tune with her emotional and physical needs. Imagine the atmosphere. Soft, dimmed lights, soothing music in the background, and your hands gently massaging her back or shoulders. You're not just relieving her physical tension. You're creating a space of calm, relaxation, and connection. Women often find massages deeply relaxing, but they also view it as a moment of emotional intimacy. When you take the initiative without being asked, it shows that you are emotionally engaged and care about her comfort on a deep level. You don't need to be a professional massage therapist. The key is being attentive, patient, and gentle. This is one of those small acts that can leave a lasting impression and create a bond of trust and intimacy. 2. Flirting. That's confident, respectful, and genuine. Let's move on to the art of flirting. Many men avoid flirting, fearing they'll be misunderstood or rejected. But here's the thing. Women love confident, respectful flirting. Flirting isn't just about trying to get someone's attention or being playful. It's about building chemistry and connection in a natural, authentic way. When you flirt with confidence, you convey a sense of self-assuredness and attraction that makes a woman feel special and appreciated. But what exactly does respectful flirting look like? It's about intensity in your gaze, genuine smiles, and sincere compliments that show you've been paying attention to the unique things that make her who she is. These little gestures go a long way in making her feel seen, noticed, and valued. The key to successful flirting is subtlety. For example, pay attention to the little details, the way she laughs, the way she dresses, or how her eyes light up when she talks about something she's passionate about. Compliment her on these unique qualities, and she'll appreciate the fact that you see beyond the surface. Women love to feel special. When you notice and appreciate the little things that make her unique, it boosts her confidence and makes her feel desirable. So don't be afraid to show genuine interest in the things that set her apart from others. 3. The significance of her hair. Next, let's talk about something that might seem trivial to some men, but is actually quite important to many women: their hair. For many women, their hair is more than just a physical trait. It's a form of self-expression and a part of their identity. How they wear their hair can tell you a lot about how they're feeling or what they want to convey at any given moment. One of the most intimate gestures you can make is to gently run your fingers through her hair in a moment of relaxation. Imagine a calm, quiet evening where you're sitting close to her, sharing a conversation. When the moment feels right, you can softly touch or play with her hair. This simple act can be incredibly comforting and intimate, and it shows that you're paying attention to her in a deep, emotional way. However, timing is key. Choose moments when she's relaxed and open to connection. A touch like this during a tense or stressful moment might not be received as warmly. But when she feels safe, loved, and at ease, this small but powerful gesture can deepen the emotional bond between you. The protective touch, hand on her back. Here's a gesture that speaks volumes with minimal effort. Placing your hand on her back. This subtle yet powerful act communicates security, protection, and care. When you guide her through a crowd with a gentle hand on her lower back, or place your hand there in a moment of comfort, it shows her that you're there to support her, physically and emotionally. This simple move doesn't need to be overbearing or invasive. It's just a way to say, "I've got your back," both literally and figuratively. In moments when she's walking with you, or when you're simply spending time together, a hand on her back can offer reassurance and closeness. Women appreciate a partner who is protective without being controlling, and a hand on her back signals that you're there to offer emotional and physical safety. This subtle act can be incredibly endearing and make her feel cherished and cared for. 5. Standing up for her, the ultimate sign of respect. One of the deepest desires many women have is to be with a partner who will stand up for them when they need it most. This doesn't mean being confrontational or aggressive. It's about being a protector, someone who values and defends her when necessary. Imagine a situation where she's being treated unfairly or disrespected. The way you handle such a moment will mean everything to her. Stepping in with calm assertiveness, speaking up for her when she's being mistreated, or simply offering a reassuring presence can make all the difference in strengthening your bond. Women want to know that you're willing to go the extra mile to ensure they feel respected, safe, and valued. This type of emotional support shows that you're emotionally invested in her well-being and that you're a partner who will not allow her to be mistreated or taken for granted. This is one of the most powerful ways to show her how much she means to you. 6. Vulnerability, confessing that you dream about her. Here's something that might surprise you. Telling her you dream about her can have a huge impact. While it might seem like a small or even trivial thing to share, it carries a lot of emotional weight. When you tell her that she's on your mind, even in your dreams, it shows her that she's important to you in a deep, emotional way. For women, hearing this kind of confession can create a sense of being truly valued and desired. It's a vulnerable moment that lets her see how much you care about her. By opening up and sharing your thoughts, you create an emotional intimacy that strengthens your connection. 7. The allure of a well-groomed beard. Now, let's talk about physical attraction, and more specifically, beards. Many women find when you take the time to maintain your beard, it shows that you care about your appearance and take pride in the way you present yourself. This attention to detail can make a significant difference in how she perceives you. A well-groomed beard adds a layer of sophistication and masculinity, making you more attractive and appealing to her. 8. The perfect hug and the tender forehead kiss. To wrap things up, let's discuss one of the most universal expressions of affection, the perfect hug. Women absolutely love a hug that envelops them with warmth and security. It's a simple, powerful way to show love and affection. But to take it a step further, add a gentle kiss on the forehead. This intimate gesture expresses your care in a non-verbal way that goes straight to the heart. It shows her that you're not just physically affectionate, but emotionally present too. A strong, enveloping hug combined with a soft kiss on the forehead tells her that you're there for her, that you care deeply, and that you'll always cherish and protect her. So, there you have it. These are the secrets to truly understanding and connecting with the women in your life. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips resonated most with you? Or if you watched until the end, let us know by typing, "I watched until the end," in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Join our community to access more high-quality content